Hey, what's going on YouTube? Nathan Olson here from yourcharisma.com, helping you create your brand your way. On this channel, we do a lot of social media marketing help as well as Instagram tips. So if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe. Today, we're going to be talking about discoverability and how the power of hashtags can help you attain a larger community. Coming up. Hey, welcome back. So just recently, Instagram, as of December 12th, rolled out a new feature for the power of hashtags and what they like to ascertain as enhancing the discoverability of content for creators like yourself and myself. This new feature allows people to follow specific hashtags to get notified. It'll pop up in their Explore page, and the top posts will pop up in their Explore page, as well as the stories will show up in their story bar. This new feature allows individuals to follow content that they enjoy, that they like, categories. When we talk about hashtags are like the categorical organization of all the social media content that is uploaded to Instagram. Anywhere from nature to fitness to business to entrepreneurship, all the way down to there's even do it for state, which is funny college videos and stuff. So there's an unlimited amount of categories that are created on Instagram, and the amount of hashtags that there are endless because new hashtags and categories can be created every single day. This new feature allowing people to follow specific hashtags actually can help brands or businesses grow their network much faster because it's a new alternative way for you to reach your audience. So specifically, if you use hashtag Your Charisma, your content is put on the feed for Your Charisma, and so when people follow our page or follow the specific hashtag, they'll actually see user-generated content that not only builds up testimonials for your business, but it also allows other clients of yours to interact with one another, only strengthening the community that you're trying so hard to build. And also, when it pops up on the story or the Explore page, your content is continuously being viewed by other individuals. And through the power of the Explore page, if they engage with that content, it will actually use the spiderweb network that is the Explore page to further expand into their social groups. So as we've talked about before, the Explore page is not only a combination of images that you like and follow, but also what your friends like and what they follow, or it is also suggested content. So this new discoverability feature that Instagram is rolling out, or has rolled out since December 12th, is actually a huge step forward in enlarging communities and discoverability on Instagram. Hashtags are an extremely powerful feature, and we've talked about before in another video that I'll link up down below that talks about the stair-stepping method. And basically what this method means is that when you use large hashtags such as nature, where there's over 257 million content, you are trying to outrank those pieces of content in order to generate the engagement, growth, and followers that you need. So when you're trying to outrank 257 million pieces of content, that can be extremely challenging for some people, and it's definitely almost an impossible challenge. I myself have never ranked at the top of one of those specifically, but what I use is the stair-stepping method. I use smaller, less known hashtags, and I rank high for those, and the engagement and growth generated from that actually helps me rank higher for other ones. So specifically speaking, on my Instagram, I'll use like hashtag leg day, and then it'll go to hashtag barbell squats, and then it'll go to hashtag squatting. And the use of those three actually allow me to hit high for the smaller one, and then in the medium one I'm slowly working my way up, and then by the time I've reached the top trending post for that one, it'll actually boost me up higher in the larger, more readily used hashtag. And that is extremely powerful. It really helps with my discoverability, and the fact that these following of hashtags in the same fashion that you follow accounts, that'll actually increase my influencer network and my total community. So I'm really appreciative of Instagram continually updating their platform. I think it's a huge step forward for them. Other than that, guys, Keep growing, use all your hashtags. Definitely try to implement a branded hashtag for your business. Get into the habit of trying to create a community of active individuals, whether it be through growing through hashtags or growing through our Power Like program or our engagement program. There are 100 avenues that you can take to get to influencer status. You just have to be readily aware of all the opportunities that are out there. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video.